In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project on Basecamp. By the end, you'll know how to log in, set up a clean project space, and invite the right teammates so everyone can get to work immediately. First, open your browser and head to the Basecamp login page. If you're not already signed in, enter your email address and click Next, then type your password and click Login. If your organization uses two-factor authentication, just follow the prompt to verify. Also, if you have access to more than one Basecamp account, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. Once you're at your Basecamp home screen, look for the option that says Make a New Project and click it. This opens the project setup page where you'll name and configure your project. Start by typing the project name. Choose something specific and recognizable so people can find it quickly later. Many teams use a simple naming convention, like client or team name plus the project type and maybe a date. Clear names save time and prevent duplicate projects. Next, add a description. Think of this as your project's elevator pitch. In a few sentences, explain the purpose, the main goals, and any key context teammates should know on day one. You can include the scope, deadlines, or important links to background docs. Short, clear, and actionable is best. Now pick the tools you'll use in this project. Basecamp lets you enable or disable tools like the message board for announcements, to-dos for task tracking, schedule for important dates, docs and files for shared materials, and Campfire for quick chats. Turn on only what you need right now. You can always adjust later if the project grows. Fewer tools up front can make onboarding simpler. When everything looks good, click Create this project. Basecamp will spin up the workspace with your chosen tools and take you to the new project home. From here, invite your team. Click Add some people to invite teammates, then choose Add people. Start typing the name of the person you want to add and select them from the list. If your teammate doesn't appear, they may need to be added to your organization's Basecamp account first, so check with your admin if needed. Before sending the invite, write a short personal note. Let them know what the project is, why they're being added, and what you'd like them to do first. Clear instructions in the invite save back and forth later. Finally, click Add them to the project. They'll receive an invitation and can jump right in. And that's it. Log in, create the project, configure the tools, and invite your team. You're ready to get to work.